got alerts on our phone, and we were instantly told to get down here for the test. Okay guys, so it's Friday night at about 7 o'clock. I'm here getting the NAT test for COVID in Chongqing, yeah, in a soccer stadium. So guys, this moved really fast. They put me in the system, and now I've been given this here to get tested. And wow, you guys will not believe the speed that this is going. There's hundreds of people here. Probably tens of thousands have gone through here during the day. So let's just kind of look around and see what we're dealing with here. So I'm handing this to the health professional. Yeah. Oh. The moment that I landed in China, it was very clear that Chinese, the government, the people, the healthcare workers that have put so much time and energy into saving so many lives in this country have taken this pandemic very serious. And I show that in my video. I show the daily visits from the healthcare professionals, the COVID tests that I had to go through, the types of food I was eating, what type was the hotel. If you don't like the food, you can opt out of it. And some hotels allow full deliveries from restaurants, KFC or whatever, or pizzas. The hotel's great. I want to show everything. I don't want to miss anything. I want to be full transparent, to give the international audience a look into how well a country can use technology, can use its healthcare workers, and all the people combined together to combat a pandemic.